So here we have a Joule thief that I've built here on one of these little boards here, and I have the battery in here. This is an old pill dispenser thing. I drilled a hole in there and I stuck a AAA battery in there, and I plugged all this in here. I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of blurry. Let's see if I can zoom in. Boom! Oh, look at that. Got to zoom on this mother. Alright, so there's my Toroid, small resistor, my transistor, and my LED. I don't know if you can see how I set it up there. Let's see, keep the camera steady. So you can see there. Try from the top. There we go. Alright, so you can see there how it works out. Not sure if you can make anything of what you see here. Anyways, so let's plug it in here. Let me zoom back out. Alright. So here's the negative. Oops. Plug it in. Voila. Look at that. My Joule thief works. Isn't that freaking awesome? Anyways, maybe I'll do a how-to on how to do this.